Right, number 3 church. This is a different one, but there's no bells on this one either, no clock towers. No. How have I got here? I've just walked up. I've done a walk from Halifax town, then up to the range, and then right up King Cross, and then by St Paul's Church, King Cross, and then right up Pelham without seeing anybody. I've not seen nobody, so I'm on low terrace at the moment. So we're going to video this for you, Graham, because we need your help, and I want you to see some of my YouTube channels. So I haven't been on the bus with anybody, so don't worry about it. And I've not seen nobody, and I've kept all my distance. So this is getting a good video before I move on to a different church. So this is New Hope United Reformed Church at Pelham. So we're going to video this for you for about 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, don't worry, Graham, if I'm out and about I will pass the church and I'll video some, okay? Don't worry. Oh, that's a bird. That's just a bird croaking, is that noise. These are like village, estate, house and estate churches are these. So that's what these are. Just hold that video camera so it doesn't drop. It's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Alright, I'm alright, and no one has bothered me at all. So I'm near Walley and I'm near Upper Wellroyed. Up that way. So that's where I am on my walking tour. Okay? Yes. So I'm fine and I'm not even tired. So let's have a look at it for 15 to 10 minutes. That bird up there, I think, is making a noise. There's some lovely churches around in Halifax, isn't there? Yeah. There's some lovely churches. No, no one has said anything to me at all. Nothing. I've had a good day out. So it's been fantastic. It's by Lowmore Terrace, this is church. For Graham, my friend. Turn it round.
Doing the
Yeah, for my friend. I'm just doing a tour today. I'm just doing a friend's.
So, do you live near W Martin?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you do all the drains?
I'm just doing it for my friend at the moment. We've just got a lot of work to do anyway, so I just got to work very hard. Somebody's not very well, so I just got to be careful. I'm alright. What did she say? No, I'm busy. I've got Graham. I'm on the tour walking distance. Right, let's go around again. Another 10 minutes and I'll get that window up there. She wasn't on it, was she? No. So it's the 29th of May, Saturday afternoon at tea time now. Same day as the other two churches were done. So that's what I'm here for. So this hasn't got any bells anyway, so I thought I'd let you know. Beautiful, isn't it? Yep, certainly is. It certainly is. It's a nice treat for Graham. I'm not doing it for other people, I'm doing it for Graham. Because I don't see him as often now because of lockdown. But as soon as lockdown's finished, I thought there'll be all these for him to watch. So been fun, isn't it? Yeah. I'm going to video that fancy pattern up there. It's a nice window that, isn't it? Aye. Very nice window that. I'm about, from here to Gransmere, I'm about 3/4 an hour away from Gransmere where I live, so that's where I am. It's nice countryside up there to Sauber Bridge. My video camera. I'm better doing these videoing in daylight, not when it's dark. No, that's right. It's nice, isn't it? Yep. I don't know if you can get down there to the other side. No, it's just a dead end there. Oh. Well, like I said, people from abroad or over Lancashire or Cumbria might want to do a Halifax tour of the Methodist churches so they can look at this on YouTube. That's what I'm doing it for, so people can look at my YouTube channel. So Stuart Bellringer I'm on, so that's what it is. I'll get some bluebells there. Nice, isn't it? Yep. Just some birds crawling. So it's by, hang on, Westborough Drive it's on. No one's going on this YouTube. Nobody. Nope. This is church number 3 now in the Halifax diocese without a bus ride. That's what this is. This is my walking tour on feet. So I haven't been on the bus. No. That bird. So down there takes you back down to King Cross and then across and then on by the fire station and then by St Jude's Church further down, and that's where I live, down there. So I'm not far away from Gransmere, no. So I'm still in Halifax area, in the Borough Council of Halifax, okay? Yep. So that one's nearly done now. Okay, finished there now.